In this video I'll show you how to host any website in GitHub with GitHub pages. So now let's start. First, go to your GitHub account, create a new repository. Suppose let me make a repository. Just okay. So after making a new repository, what you need to do is since we are pushing an existing repository, file from our computer, let's go with this. I have my website here. It's a simple website. Remember, you can host any website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript in GitHub pages. Basically static sites are can be hosted in GitHub pages. So this is the website that I want to host in GitHub. Okay, so what I need to do is since I am using Linux terminal, I'm moving to this folder and so I'm initializing Git repository here to push it to the GitHub. Okay, so next thing, I need to add this remote for this origin. I am pasting it here. So after doing this, for GitHub pages you need to switch the branch to GS pages. Let me show how you can do it. So the default branch will be master, so we need to create one new branch called GS pages. So let's switch into GS pages. Okay, so I have switched into GS pages. Now I'm pushing my file that are in my computer to the GitHub repository. So I do this by push origin gs dash pages. If it was master, then it push origin master is the command. Okay, so enter your credentials, GitHub credentials. After this, let's see here. Okay, so I can see my files here. So I have pushed from my computer to the GitHub. Since I have pushed it in GitHub pages gs dash pages branch, GitHub will automatically know that it is meant it is to be generated. It is to be generated as a website. So okay, so the website is generated as logsmon.me/test. Since the default domain for my site is logsmon.me, so it is generated here. So let me check it. Okay, the site is live here. Otherwise, if you want to give your custom domain here, if you have not initial domain name, then the site will be published at something like test.github.io like that, or with the GitHub domain name. So this is how you can host your site in GitHub. In next video I'll show you how to host any website with in next video I'll show you how to add custom domain name with in GitHub pages. Okay.